Hi everyone. Welcome to MBA 601. Data Analysis and Statistical Computing. I am Professor ch01. I will be your instructor in this course. Course description. 1. Students will learn the definition of data analysis and statistical computing. 2. Students will receive a comprehensive study of research methodologies. 3. Students will learn how to generate and utilize basic graphical and numerical descriptive methods. 4. Students will develop the ability to translate and effectively communicate the results of statistical analysis to the audiences. Learning objectives. After students finish this course, they will be able to 1. Describe the meaning and steps in the data analysis process. 2. Select an appropriate graphical display depends on the data type, categorical or numerical, and whether or not the purpose of the display is to compare groups. 3. Create data visualizations that are easier for the audience to interpret by minimizing the required eye travel, applying the concepts of pre-attentive attributes and Gestalt principles. 4. Compute and interpret the basic statistical measures of central location, the sample mean, median, mode, variability, standard deviation and the interquartile range. 5. Compute and interpret the value of the correlation coefficient of two variables. 6. Calculate the probability of events, including events that are the union, the intersection, or the complement of other events. 7. Find the equation of the least squares regression line and interpret the slope and intercept in context. In this course I would like to recommend 3 textbooks. 1. Introduction to Statistics and Data Analysis, written by Professor Roxy Peck, the blue book shown on the top left corner. 2. Data Visualization, Exploring and Explaining with Data, written by Professor Jeffrey D. Cam and colleague. 3. The R book, written by Professor Michael J. Crawley. Classroom environment. 1. All students are responsible for respecting and protecting the learning environment during class. The student who, except for unusual circumstances, to be discussed with the instructor. 2. All students are encouraged to engage in the learning experience. Your contributions to class activities are highly valued. This includes actively listening/reading during the chapter summaries, participating in class activities/group work when applicable. 3. All students are responsible for keeping up with the pace of the course. 4. Assignments need to be completed on time. Grades are reported to students in writing from the registrar's office. Grades are designated as documents. Course topic outline/schedule. Week number 1. Students will learn about 1. The role of statistics, data, and the data analysis process. 2. Statistical analysis and data display with examples in R, include installing R and RStudio. Week number 2. Students will learn about graphical methods for describing data. Part 1, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. Week number 3. Students will learn about graphical methods for describing data. Part 2, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. Week number 4. Students will learn about numerical methods for describing data, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. We will have midterm assessments in week number 5. Week number 6. Students will learn about summarizing bivariate data, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. Week number 7. Students will learn about random variables and probability distributions. Part 1, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. Week number 8. Students will learn about random variables and probability distributions. Part 2, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. Week number 9. Students will learn about simple linear regression and correlation, include plotting graph by using R and RStudio. Finally, in week number 10 we will have final assessments. Thank you for your attention.